Do you want to blow up your YouTube channel with AI-powered shorts? Well, buckle up because today we are going to be diving into a tool that I found called VidAI, which is just basically going to be your secret weapon of creating viral, high-quality YouTube shorts in seconds. And YouTube shorts are exploding in popularity right now, so if you're not using them, then you are missing out on a massive growth potential. And the best part is that tools such as VidAI make the process a whole lot easier. No more hours of editing. All you have to do is generate, refine, and post. So let's talk about the game plan. First off, VidAI will auto-generate YouTube shorts for you in seconds. Second, it handles everything from scripting to creating the video itself, and all with just a few clicks, so you're not gonna have to be doing any heavy lifting. And by the end of this video, I want you to know how to exactly create 30 days of content with VidAI, and all while doing it pretty effortlessly. Because imagine coming up with 30 days worth of content all in one day. And I'm talking about creating 30 YouTube shorts in a day, or you could even bump it up to 60. That is how easy it is going to be. So if you're ready to save time, boost your engagement, and grow your channel pretty quickly, let's just jump in and start creating. So first, let's talk about why YouTube Shorts is a game changer. So if you want to explode your reach and grow your channel as fast as possible, YouTube Shorts is going to be your golden ticket. YouTube has recently been showing a lot of love to YouTube Shorts, which in simple terms just means you are going to be gaining more exposure. More people are going to be viewing these videos. People also crave quick and snackable content, and Shorts deliver exactly that. Because let's be honest, people's attention spans are going down the drain. Chances are a lot of people have already clicked off of this video because they're like, oh my gosh, this video is too long. And Shorts also give you that ability to go viral more easily, I would say, because when you are creating more content quickly, you are putting more content out into the internet, which means you have more chances of people viewing your videos. So the bottom line is, if you're serious about growing your channel, YouTube Shorts is the way to go. And if you're ready to take advantage of this, let's make it happen. Okay, so you're probably thinking right now, okay, this sounds great. I want to create YouTube Shorts, but where do I start? How do I come up with video ideas? The key to categorizing your content is putting it into different buckets. And this just makes brainstorming a whole lot easier in my opinion. So first off, define your goals. What is your purpose for your channel? Are you wanting to educate, entertain, or inspire people? So within the education world, you could be giving some quick little fitness tips or health tips or psychology facts. Then in the entertain section, you could be creating little text scenarios or telling a funny story. Or you could want to inspire your audience, which is where you could just have some motivational quotes and stories. Whatever type of content that you want to create, make sure that you are staying within one niche. And what I mean is, let's say you want to go the educational route and you know you want to educate people on a certain topic. Pick a certain topic and stick with it, whether it be history or fitness or finance. Next, research and analyze what types of shorts are doing well within that specific niche. What is working and what is driving engagement? One of my favorite parts about YouTube is YouTube shows you exactly what has been proven to work. So why not create content that has already been proven to work? You don't even have to guess. And lastly, make sure that you are tapping into trends. If people are all of a sudden talking about Cleopatra within the history niche, then you need to be talking about Cleopatra as well. Now, arguably one of the most important parts of creating content within the YouTube world, not even just the shorts world, is going to be the niche of your channel and sticking with it. And a niche is crucial for several reasons. One of those reasons being you need to be reaching a target audience. By focusing on a specific niche, you are able to attract a specific group of people that are all interested in that one topic that you're creating content about. This helps ensure that your content resonates with that specific audience and you're creating content that is tailored towards this group of people. Next up, a clear niche gives you a direction for your channel. It helps you stay consistent but also create content that aligns with your audience's interests, which makes it easier to develop a plan and come up with content ideas. Also, when your content speaks directly to the needs and interests of a specific group, you are more likely to spark up a conversation, which will drive engagement. A niche is also crucial for building a brand authority. And by specializing within a specific niche, you are able to become sort of an expert within that given field. This can help build trust and credibility. Let's say you're creating history YouTube Shorts and people love your history YouTube Shorts, well then they can rely on you to Make these history shorts that are high quality and also consistent, and then they're more likely to follow you. A niche also helps with discoverability, especially through YouTube's specific algorithm. When your content is consistently focused on a specific niche, it can rank better in search results and recommendations, meaning more people are going to be finding your content. And lastly, a strong niche can attract monetization opportunities, which, hello, who wouldn't want that? Who wouldn't want brand deals, sponsorships, and partnerships? Which, in summary, a focused niche allows you to build a community, drive your engagement, all while creating content that aligns with a specific audience and a brand. And don't worry, some of you are probably thinking, oh my gosh, well, that sounds great, but I do not know which niche to go with. Don't worry, I've gathered a list of the top 10 YouTube Shorts niches, and I'm just gonna go through them right now. Number 1, we have tech tips and gadgets. 2 is going to be fitness and health. 3 is food and cooking. 4 is motivation and inspiration. 5 is going to be the comedy and meme niche. 6 is travel and adventure. 7 is life hacks. 8 is beauty and fashion. 9 is gaming, and 10 is DIY and crafts. So there you go, a list of 10 of the most popular YouTube Shorts niches that have proven to do well. So let's say, hypothetically, in this perfect world, you have picked out your niche. So next, you need to be coming up with video ideas. But how do we do this? I would say to take ChatGPT for an example. Chat has become one of my best friends, and I don't know if this is sad or what, but if I have a question, I always go to ChatGPT, which I don't know if that's necessarily a good thing because sometimes they can be wrong. But I do know ChatGPT is very, very helpful for coming up with content ideas. Let's say you have a YouTube channel and the niche of that YouTube channel is finance. Okay, so here I prompted it to give me 5 video ideas on saving money for beginners, and then it's got 5 money-saving hacks everybody should know. Or 2, I tried extreme budgeting for a week. Here's what happened. 3, how to save $1,000 fast, even on a low income. And then you could even say, I want these to be for YouTube Shorts, if you want it to be specifically for a certain type of content. So now this is gonna be more YouTube Short friendly. 1-minute money hack, or stop wasting money on this. This $5 trick can save you thousands, but it is so easy. And then you could literally say, I want 100 ideas, and ChatGPT has got your back. But ChatGPT can easily come up with content ideas that apply to your channel's niches in just seconds. To your channel's niche, not niches. Maybe you have more than one channel, I don't know. Once you get those ideas, you can use ChatGPT to create a script for you if you choose to do it that way, but there is an even easier way, because with VidAI, you could take those YouTube video ideas and then plug them into the prompt section, and then it can create you a script. You don't even have to keep bugging ChatGPT for the script. Okay, so now we're just basically ready to create our YouTube Shorts if we know how to come up with video ideas and we have our niche chosen. And I'm actually gonna show you guys something that is very cool. Let's say you didn't want to come up with video ideas. You don't even necessarily have to. Let me show you how. Here I have vid.ai pulled up, and I just hit new project. Now this is where I get to select the type of content that I want to create. If I wanted to, I could create a little fake text scenario or just a faceless short with AI generated clips, and I'm gonna go with that. And now we can do our project title. I'm just gonna leave it at whatever this is. And this is where we could put in something like 5 money hacks, and then it would write a script based off of the prompt that I gave it. Or we could go to the popular topic section. Remember how I said you don't even have to come up with video ideas? Well, this is exactly how. We go to the popular topic section, then we choose a topic, and if your niche aligns with any of these popular topics, which if you went with some of the ones that I gave you, then chances are they are going to be over here, and you would just have to click one of these. So let's see. Okay, so I think the popular topics that I'm going to go with is travel destinations. I'm here to learn about traveling. Let's see what's going on. I'm gonna name this travel video. So original, I know. And then this is where we choose the duration for our video. Do we want it to be longer or shorter? We're gonna do 30 to 60 seconds because it is a YouTube short. Now this is where we have our narrator library, and this is where we get to choose the voice for our video because it's going to AI generate a voice that goes along with the script that it generates as well. And I'm just gonna go with the default voice here, but you can play around and listen to all of these and pick whatever one fits best for your video. And then you get to choose a video source. Do you want it to be a natural AI generated image, or do you want it to be an anime image, or do you want it to be watercolor? I'm gonna go with the natural because I want you guys to see how it comes up with the most realistic looking photos and images. Or you could even do a gameplay video, which these are kind of popular for story time videos, but I'm gonna do natural just so you can see it generate images, and then I'm gonna hit generate content. And now it is generating our script and our images. All right, here we go. Here we have our AI generated images, and you can see when I scroll over an image, it correlates with a section of the script. So let's say I didn't like one of these images. I don't really like this one because for some reason it put text in there. So I'm just gonna highlight over that one. Okay, I know it's this one. Then I'm gonna hit regenerate. I could also generate a custom image too if I wanted it to be. Image of a mountain. All right, now we've got this little mountain, and I'd say that goes a lot better with all of these other images. So now you could play around with the script and you could add a little joke here and there or tweak some things if you want, but I'm gonna say this is good. I'm gonna hit next and I'm gonna hit generate. All right, just like that, we have our YouTube short and it is ready. Now this is where you can add in some background music if you'd like, or advanced options. You can play around with how you want the closed captioning to look. I'm gonna change the color. I'm gonna have a little bit of fun and I'm gonna make it a little pink color there or purple. I don't know, this is kind of in between pink or purple. I don't know. You could change the font size here, highlight the words. You could highlight the font or put it in the background, whatever you like. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna get a little crazy. And then you can add some different effects, but I'm gonna say this is my video and let's take a watch.
Ready to explore some hidden gems around the world? Let's dive into breathtaking travel destinations. First stop, the enchanting beaches of Bora Bora, known for their turquoise waters and stunning coral reefs.
I wanna go.
Next, we whisk you away to the lush landscapes of Bali, where rice terraces cascade down hillsides. Now let's explore the majestic fjords of Norway.
See, look how real this looks. Like, you could tell me that's a real picture and I'd be like, okay,
True
yeah.
marvel of nature. Don't miss the vibrant streets of Marrakech, filled with colors and rich culture. Finally, we journey to the serene landscapes of New Zealand, a paradise for nature lovers.
That looks real too.
Each of these destinations offers unique experiences and unforgettable memories. So, where will your next adventure take you? Remember, the world is full of wonders waiting to be discovered. Share your favorite travel destination in the comments below.
Just like that, we have our first YouTube short generated. And that literally took me just a few minutes. Now, it could have taken me a few seconds if I just went with all of the generic prompts, but if you are a perfectionist like me, you might want to go in a little bit and tweak some things here and there, maybe change some of the images, but it is just that easy, you guys. Next, I'm going to speed run creating a short, and I'm going to make it super quick. So here we go, faceless short. And then we're gonna do a popular topic, and I'm going to do a spooky little story, 30 to 60 seconds, natural video, generate content. Now, here we have our script, and here we have our spooky little story. We're gonna hit next, and we're gonna hit generate. Okay, here we go, Project Excited Fox. It is ready for us. Let's say this is it. I'm gonna leave all the settings as is. Here we go.
Have you ever felt a chill run down your spine? One night, a young girl wandered into the woods alone. She heard whispers echoing through the trees.
I don't even like scary stuff. Why am I doing this to myself?
Panic set in as she turned to run, but the whispers grew round. The figure loomed closer to voice. Help me, it whispered, sending chills down her spine. Fear.
Okay, anyways, not the best niche for me because I get spooked easily. I made that short and it made me a complete story in literally seconds, which just goes to show that you're able to create a month's worth of content in one day. If I were to sit down and did a minute a short, that would take me 30 minutes to create 30 shorts, and then I post one short a day. Or you could get even crazier and do 2 shorts a day and only an hour of work a day, which is crazy. This is the future of content creation, you guys. Okay, so now that we have our content ready, let's talk about uploading and promoting our shorts, because we want our shorts to be put out into the world, but we also want people to view our shorts. So I'm gonna make sure to walk you guys through this process. Once you have your YouTube short that is generated with VidAI, one thing I would note is maybe adding audio if you'd like. Maybe you want music in the background. And although VidAI does have an audio library, I'm not sure if the audio library is copyrighted or not. So just to be safe, maybe you could bring your short on over to something like CapCut and add in audio from the YouTube Studio library. So if you had this spooky story and you wanted to add some spooky music, you can get copyright-free music from YouTube's music library for free. And when you're uploading your video, it is so important to have the right title for your video and also the description, because that can really help your discoverability. Your title should be catchy, and it should also give a glimpse for your viewers of what they should expect. And now, although people do a lot of the time discover YouTube Shorts by just scrolling on their feed, they're not necessarily going to be clicking on your video. Some people will be clicking on your video, so you do want to tailor it for those people as well. But a title is so helpful for the algorithm, because when you have a clear description and you have clear tags for your videos, then people are gonna know which niche and which target audience to promote your video to. Let's say you have a history video and you're like #history, well then YouTube is going to know that this is a history video and they should be promoting it to that history audience. Next up, do not underestimate the power of engagement. You wanna make sure you are engaging with your audience. If they're engaging with you, make sure to engage back. This not only makes the audience feel valued, but it also encourages them to return to your videos or also ultimately subscribe. Actively engaging will also help you gather feedback. Maybe people want more videos about this topic or this topic. Listen to your audience, because most of the time they know best. Now, to truly take your YouTube Shorts to the next level, understanding your analytics is key. By analyzing your YouTube Shorts performances, you are more able to refine your strategy and double down on what is working and keep improving over time. Here is exactly how we can use YouTube's analytics to our advantage. First up, make sure you're looking at watch time and views for your videos. If certain videos are getting more views than others, look at what the common theme is. Let's say all of your videos about Cleopatra are getting a lot of views, but then all of your videos about Marie Antoinette aren't getting a lot of views, then maybe make some more videos about Cleopatra. And sorry, I keep using history as my example here. Or you could be thinking, is it the thumbnail or is it the audio track? Did I put music in this short or did I not put music in this short, and the short with music is getting more views? By analyzing this, you can make some good adjustments for your future content. Next up, audience retention shows how much of your YouTube Shorts people are watching. High retention rates just means that your content is more engaging and people are watching your content fully. And if your viewers are dropping off of your videos early, then maybe it's time to experiment with your content structure. But if you're using VidAI, you won't really have to worry about that, because they create engaging shorts start to finish. Lastly, engagement metrics are super helpful and crucial to growing your channel. And this is going to be things such as likes and comments and shares. Keep track of which videos are getting the most engagement, which ones are driving the most conversations and likes and shares. Also, don't be afraid to ask your audience questions within your shorts, or even encourage them to share videos with their friends. But chances are, I would say do not do this too much, because chances are if people like a video, they do know how to share that video. So don't do that too much. So by regularly checking your analytics, you are able to adapt and evolve your content strategy to better your channel in the future. Also, make sure you're adjusting the titles, the descriptions, the thumbnails, the length of your video even, based on what your YouTube Studio data tells you. The more you optimize, the better you're making your chances of making one of your shorts go viral. So within this video, we talked about how AI can streamline that content creation process. Platforms like ChatGPT can help you come up with video ideas, maybe even help you pick out the niche of your channel. Well, on the other hand, VidAI will create a whole video for you based off of just one prompt, or even choosing from the popular sections, or by even choosing one of the popular topics that they give you. By using these AI tools, creators are able to save a lot of time. And do not forget, when it comes to uploading your YouTube Shorts, make sure to follow the best practices. And I would say this is picking the right audio, optimizing your title and your descriptions and your tags, and also staying engaged with your community. Ultimately, all of this will help you effectively upload engaging YouTube Shorts where people are going to find your videos, and you're upping your chances of going viral. If you're interested in creating engaging YouTube Shorts just like I did in this video, make sure to sign up for VidAI in the link in the description. And do not worry, we put together a discount for you guys, so make sure to check it out. You won't want to miss it. And also make sure to check out this video for a free training on how to make money with YouTube Shorts. Make sure to check this one out, or check this one out, or both of them, whatever floats your boat. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you guys there, or maybe I'll never see you again. Peace. I hope I do.